We have started the chapter number 3, atoms and molecules, and in the part 1 video we have discussed about the journal introduction, that which scientists tell us about the smaller particles, about the atoms, and the topic 3.1, that is the laws of chemical combination and its proof, we have discussed in the part number 1 video. Now today we will discuss about topic 3.12, law of constant proportion, page number 32. The Lavoisier, along with other scientists, noted that the many compounds were composed of the two or the more element, and each such element has the same element in the same proportion, irrespective of whether the compound came from or who prepared it. For example, in the water, the ratio of the hydrogen and the oxygen mass is always 1:8 wherever the source of the water will be. It means whether we take the water from outside or inside or from whichever city or the country, always the mass ratio is 1:8. This is known as law of constant proportion. It means fixed proportion given by the Lavoisier. For example, let us see the example of water. Chemical formula is H2O. It contains the two elements hydrogen and oxygen, which combine in ratio. We have to calculate the ratio in this law of constant proportion, that is H ratio oxygen. Mass of the hydrogen is 1 gram and mass of oxygen is 16 gram. But in the formula of water, hydrogen atoms are 2, so we will multiply 1 by 2, and oxygen atoms are 1, so we multiply 16 by 1. Answer is 2 upon 16, that is 1:8. Now it is clear that from where this ratio came, that is 1:8. So here it is said that whatever be the source of the water, always the hydrogen and oxygen combine in 1:8 by masses, according to law of constant proportion. Clear?